All right, what's up, guys? We're at the shop. We're here late. It's about 10 o'clock. I'm wrapping up a file, printing some stuff off for A2 phone repair. It's gonna be some window graphics late. All right, I got the HP latex printing. Probably gonna have like, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 feet of this running. Printed on translucent film, lamination. Here's the file. Already got the artwork from the customer. Design team that put this together is a really nice file, super easy to use. I really appreciate that. Nice high resolution, everything vector. That'll be great. All right, so this is a good customer of mine, my friend Pat. Did some building signage, interior signage, and he tapped us to do the window signage as well. So pretty much doing the whole storefront. Yeah, it's his new location. So like I said, we're getting this printed and we'll do the install tomorrow. All right, so this job's a lot more tedious than I was expecting. The cutting needs a lot of babysitting. The panels are just really big. I've already kind of screwed up a couple of them. So I'm just paying a close eye on the printer and the cutter, but we're getting it done. This piece is done. It's ready to be weeded and transfer taped. It's just a learning experience. We'll get it. All right, so we're back. It's a few days later. I was not happy with the print media that I was doing the window graphics on. I went to install it on the job and it was just too washed out. Doesn't have enough opaqueness to it, didn't have enough pop for the yellow and the white. The hand and phone graphic was fine. That actually worked out better because the customer wanted to see the graphic from inside the store. But as far as lettering and all the graphics that faced the customer, I was not happy with it. So that leads me to my next thing. I ordered some Substance material. This is an American brand, made here, sold here, distributed here. So really good pricing, and from what I hear, really, really good material. So I'm gonna give them a shot for this job. I think it'll work out great. So I'm gonna load that in the machine and get it going. Now it's going to do its loading procedure. Check the spew, check the width. I always like to stay here and kind of baby the machine, make sure it doesn't get hung up on anything, because if it does hang up, it will impact the print head, which wouldn't be good. If you ever need to stop these machines for the HP, you just lift up this this window, freezes the machine, holds the print head. All right, so I've got the new material loaded, printing. It's working out great on the HP. New color profile, yellow's looking great. I've got it on the cutter. Everything's good. All right, I've got my laser level set up. Helps me align all the text. Make sure it's dead on. Then I set up my hinge and lay it. That's what we have so far. The door, Side print. Working our way over. All right, guys, here at A2 Phone Repair, about halfway through the install. I got one of the final panels laying down. Everything's looking good. Give you guys some shots. There's the laser dead nuts on. All right, almost wrapped up. All right, going on my walk, editing the video, and realized I didn't have an outro. So if you enjoyed the video, got some tips and tricks, got some value from it, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with somebody who you think can gain some value, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.